Welcome back to Bike Reviews, the channel dedicated to bringing you the latest news, updates, and insights from the two-wheeler world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated commuter bikes expected in the upcoming year, the Honda Shine 125-2026. Honda has a long history of delivering reliable, smooth, and stylish bikes, and this new model is shaping up to be a major upgrade. With a Dominicador black body and bold blue design, the Shine 125-2026 is set to capture attention and redefine what a modern 125cc commuter should look like. Striking new 2026. Design The design of the Honda Shine 125-2026 is one of its biggest highlights. Honda has taken a fresh approach by combining a dominant black base color with dynamic blue accents that run through the tank and body panels. The matte black texture delivers a premium aesthetic, while the blue graphics add sportiness and youthful energy. This dual-tone scheme gives the bike a bold presence on the road that instantly stands out. Honda has also enhanced the body structure with sharper edges and improved aerodynamic lines. The fuel tank now features a more sculpted design, giving riders better knee grip and a more aggressive street bike posture. The side panels are sleeker, and the tail section has been refined to look cleaner and more modern. Overall, the 2026 Shine 125 carries a design language that balances simplicity with smart styling, perfect for urban riders who want a commuter bike that doesn't look boring. Performance and engine refinements. Honda Shine has always been known for its smooth and efficient engine, and the 2026 model continues that tradition with extra refinement. The 125cc engine is expected to receive updated tuning for improved throttle response, better acceleration, and reduced vibration at higher speeds. Honda's enhanced HET Honda Echo technology aims to improve fuel economy without sacrificing power. Riders can expect better low-end torque for easy city riding and smoother gear shifts that make daily commuting more enjoyable. While maintaining its strong reputation for reliability, the new Shine 125 is also expected to offer a cleaner and more eco-friendly riding experience with updated emission technology. Whether you use the bike for office travel, family work, or long city rides, the 2026 Shine promises stable performance throughout. Riding comfort and handling. Comfort has always been a major strength of the Shine series, and the 2026 edition is expected to take things up a notch. The seat cushioning is improved to provide a more relaxed riding experience during long commutes. The seating posture remains upright and rider-friendly, suitable for all age groups from young buyers to experienced daily riders. Honda has also fine-tuned the suspension setup for better shock absorption on rough and uneven roads. The telescopic front forks and rear suspension have been optimized to reduce body movement, giving riders a smoother and more stable feel. The bike's lightweight frame and balanced weight distribution further help in easy handling, especially in crowded traffic or narrow streets. Updated features and technology. The Honda Shine 125-2026 introduces modern features that match today's commuter expectations. One of the key updates is the semi-digital meter console. It combines a traditional analog display with a digital screen that provides real-time mileage, trip information, and other essential data. This not only makes the bike feel more premium, but also enhances practical usability. The switchgear quality has also been improved for better tactile feedback. The 2026 model is expected to include features like an engine start-stop system, silent start mechanism to reduce engine noise, and improved headlamp brightness for night riding. Along with this, Honda may introduce updated braking hardware for better stopping power, ensuring safer rides in all conditions. Durability and a long-term reliability. One of the biggest reasons riders trust Honda Shine is its long-term durability. The 2026 version is expected to continue this legacy with enhanced build quality, rust-resistant materials, and upgraded protection for internal components. The chain cover, wiring system, and engine casing are expected to receive improved sealing and finishing. helping the bike handle daily wear and tear more efficiently. Whether it's weather resistance, engine lifespan, or maintenance costs. The Shine 1,252,026 aims to deliver a long-lasting experience that gives riders peace of mind for years. Expected launch and market impact. The Honda Shine 125 is one of the best-selling 125cc bikes, and the 2026 model is expected to strengthen its position even further. With its stylish black and blue look, refined performance, and modern features, the bike is likely to attract young riders as well as existing Shine users looking for an upgrade. The model is expected to launch in 2026, and once it hits the market, it could quickly become a top choice in the commuter segment. With Honda's strong dealership network and a reputation for service reliability, the Shine 1,252,026 has everything it needs to dominate the category. Conclusion. The Honda Shine 1,252,026 blends power, style, and comfort into one impressive package. With its Damakadar black body, striking blue graphics, refined engine, improved ride quality, and updated features, this bike is ready to offer a premium daily riding experience. If you're searching for a commuter bike that delivers both performance and personality, the Shine 125 2026 will definitely be worth considering.